Hey everyone, if fonts are not loading in Penpot, missing from your designs, or showing incorrectly, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you several simple fixes to get your fonts working properly again. First, refresh Penpot and reopen your project. Temporary glitches can sometimes prevent fonts from loading correctly. Next, make sure your internet connection is stable. Yeah, some fonts need to be loaded online, and connection problems can interrupt that process. If you're using custom fonts, make sure they're installed properly on your device. Penpot won't be able to display fonts that are missing. If a font appears corrupted or unavailable, try reinstalling it. So downloading a fresh copy can often solve the issue. Sometimes corrupted browser data can interfere with font rendering. Clearing cache and cookies may help restore missing fonts. Some extensions can interfere with fonts and web content. Yeah, temporarily disabling them is worth trying. Make sure your browser is updated to the latest version. Outdated browsers can cause compatibility problems with font rendering. If the fonts still aren't loading, open Penpot in another browser. So this helps determine whether the issue is browser-specific. Sometimes font-related problems are caused by temporary server issues. If Penpot services are experiencing outages, you may simply need to wait. If nothing works, contact Penpot support for additional help. They can investigate font-related issues and provide further assistance. And that's it. One of these methods should help fix Penpot fonts not loading and restore your text properly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.